Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make text follow an object in CapCut. Perfect for dynamic eye-catching edits. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Then here import the video where you want the text to follow a moving object like hand, face, or item. Then tap on text and type your caption and customize the font, size, and color to match your video's vibe. And select the text and then tap tracking. Move the tracking point to the object that you want to follow. CapCut will process and let your text move along with it. Then play back the video and adjust the text position or timing if needed. You can even combine this with effects or animation for more impact. And that's how you make a text follow any object in CapCut. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.